Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Friday, May 31st, 2024. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuning in with us for your TF headlines. We start with Pride flag raising on Monday. Save the date here, Monday, June 3rd. Join Mayor Julia Radafrada and council members as we recognize the impact of lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer LGBTQ individuals have on the history locally, nationally, and internationally, as well as work to achieve equal justice and opportunity. This flag raising will be taking place at noon at City Hall Flagpole. It's located at 5520 Lacey Road here in Fitchburg. We'll have coverage for you here on Talking Fitchburg on Monday. Be a part of the first strategic plan process on Monday, June 3rd. The City of Fitchburg has launched the community's first strategic plan process. The project includes a robust community and government leader input gathering, the identification of the community-facing issues and government operational issues, and the establishment of outcomes for the municipality over the next 5 years. We are looking for input from diverse cross-section of the community members to shape Fitchburg's future direction and priorities. You can share your feedback on the upcoming community focus group that will be held on Monday, June 3rd from 5 to 6 p.m. or 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. over at Redeemer City Church, 5356 King James Way. Registration needs to be done online, and there will be Spanish speakers on hand to help out. And there are other sessions coming up. Encourage you to check our website. Also, take the community survey now for our strategic plan. Community Night Out, save the date. We have the official date. Community Night Out will be held on Wednesday, August 14th this year. It'll be at McKee Farms Park on August 14th from 5 to 8 p.m. We'll hope to see you out there. We'll have more details coming and preview this event here on Talking Fitchburg with the Fitchburg Police Department. Turning our attention to upcoming events this weekend, and just if you're looking for things to do this weekend, we start with the Splash Pad. It opened up last Friday, and it's open through the summer. Pack your bag, sunscreen, picnic lunch, and gather your family and friends for an adventure at the McKee Farms Park Splash Pad. Splash Pad at McKee Farms Park is at 2930 Chapel Valley Road, and it's open for the season now through Labor Day. Hours are 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. And there are one of 5 shade structures at the Splash Pad are available for reservations. If there are no reservations, then it's a first-come, first-served basis. If you'd like to learn more about this or reserving, though, you can check out fitchburgwi.gov, go to our recreation department to rent that shade structure. Or if you got any questions, you can check in on that. This weekend is Festa Italia. It'll be at McKee Farms Park. So you go Splash Pad and then go to Festa, right? Festa Italian is put on by the Italian Workmen's Group. It'll be this weekend right here at McKee Farms Park. Again, this is only Saturday and Sunday this year. Usually it was Friday, Saturday, Sunday. They've moved it just to Saturday and Sunday. Although you'll see stuff set up at the park today. Again, it opens up tomorrow, June 1st, from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. And Sunday, June 2nd, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. at McKee Farms Park. We'll be out there for the annual bocce tournament tomorrow, June 1st at 3 p.m. if you want to come out and root on City Hall as we take on the fire department. We'll see what happens. And finally, Race for Grace fundraiser happening this weekend. Race for Grace says join us for this 1 mile fun walk and time 5K run walk to benefit Grace's Care for All Fund on Sunday, June 2nd at 9 a.m. at Grace here in the Madison area. And at Grace, it says, we believe that everyone deserves access to our compassionate, high-quality care, regardless of those whether they can pay or not. Through the Care All program, Grace steps up to offer our patients helping with that do not have enough or who don't have insurance coverage or who have no way to pay for their service in need. Care for All Fund is a community donation from people like you. This event is happening on Sunday, June 2nd. It's 9 a.m. to noon, and it'll be right here in the Grace Fitchburg 5395 East Sherrill Parkway here in Fitchburg. And if you'd like to sign up for this, you can go to a Grace website. That's agrace.org for more information. Also want to mention there is a community meal this weekend for the Badger Prairie Needs Network. This is happening on Saturday, June 1st, 11:30 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. Come on out for the community meal. Serve about 200 meals during this popular event. The mending ladies will be on hand as well from 10 a.m. to 1. Have a great weekend, everybody.